Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. How to check in with Delta Airlines in 2025. Airport and online process explained. The Delta Airlines check-in process in 2025 is designed to be efficient and flexible, offering multiple options to suit travelers' needs. With a focus on digital solutions and streamlined airport procedures, Delta ensures a smooth start to your journey. Multiple check-in options. Delta provides 5 primary check-in methods: online, mobile app, airport kiosk, counter, and curbside check-in, available at select U.S. airports like Atlanta and Los Angeles. Online and mobile check-ins are the most convenient, allowing passengers to check in from anywhere, while airport options cater to those needing assistance or checking bags. Each method ensures you receive a digital or printed boarding pass, essential for security and boarding. Online check-in opens 24 hours before departure and closes 60 minutes prior for domestic flights and 1.5 hours for international flights. Visit delta.com, navigate to My Trips, and enter your confirmation number, SkyMiles number, ticket number, or credit card used for booking. You can select seats, pay for checked bags, and receive a digital or printable boarding pass. This method is ideal for avoiding airport queues, but requires a bag drop visit if checking luggage. Fly Delta app. The Fly Delta app, available on iOS and Android, is a powerful tool for check-in, offering a seamless experience. Starting 24 hours before departure, passengers can check in, access digital boarding passes, select seats, and track flight status. The app's Today screen pins boarding passes for easy access, and notifications provide real-time updates on gate changes. It's particularly useful for frequent travelers and supports adding boarding passes to Apple Wallet or Google Pay. Delta Digital ID introduced to reduce airport hassles. Delta Digital ID streamlines check-in, bag drop, and security at hubs like Atlanta, Los Angeles, and New York. This feature, available via the Fly Delta app, uses facial recognition and pre-verified passenger data to bypass physical ID checks for TSA pre-check members with a SkyMiles account. It enhances efficiency, especially at busy airports, but requires enrollment and a digital profile. Check-in deadlines. Delta's check-in deadlines vary by flight type and airport. For domestic flights, check-in must be completed 45 minutes before departure if checking bags, updated April 8, 2025, or 30 minutes without bags. International flights require check-in 60 to 120 minutes before departure, depending on the destination, e.g. 120 minutes for Accra and Athens. Missing these deadlines may result in seat reassignment or missing the flight. Arrive at the gate 15 minutes before departure for domestic flights and 45 minutes for international. Baggage check-in. Passengers checking bags must visit a bag drop counter or kiosk after online mobile check-in to print baggage tags, even if pre-checked in. Domestic flights require bag check-in 45 minutes before departure, while international flights may need up to 75 to 120 minutes, depending on the airport. Fees apply: $35 for the first bag, $45 for the second domestically, and bags must not exceed 50,000 soms for main cabin or 62 inches in total dimensions. Airport kiosk. Check-in self-service kiosks at Delta check-in counters are available 6 hours before departure for domestic and international flights. Passengers can enter their confirmation number, scan a passport, or use a SkyMiles number to check in, print boarding passes, and tag bags. Kiosks are user-friendly and reduce wait times, making them ideal for those who didn't check in online or need physical boarding passes. Counter and curbside check-in. Counter check-in is best for passengers needing assistance, traveling with special items, e.g. oversized baggage, or requiring special services, e.g. their unaccompanied minors. It's available 30 minutes to 4 hours before departure. Curbside check-in, offered at select U.S. airports, allows quick bag drop and boarding pass issuance, but requires a photo ID. Both options ensure personalized support but may involve longer wait times. Seat selection and boarding. During check-in, passengers can select or change seats, though basic economy fares may incur a fee for seat selection. Unselected seats are auto-assigned. Delta's zone-based boarding prioritizes Delta 1, First Class, and SkyMiles Medallion members, followed by general boarding based on zones indicated on the boarding pass. Boarding begins 30-45 minutes before departure. and passengers must be at the gate 15 to 45 minutes prior. Travel requirements and restrictions. Passengers need a valid ID, Real ID compliant for U.S. domestic flights starting May 7, 2025, or passport for international travel. Online check-in requires confirming no banned items, e.g., high-wattage lithium batteries, are in luggage. International travelers should verify visa requirements, e.g., e-visa for Brazil starting April 10, 2025, and arrive 3 hours early to account for additional screening. Check delta.com for destination-specific rules. Summary. Delta's 2025 check-in process emphasizes flexibility and technology, with online and app-based options starting 24 hours before departure, complemented by digital ID for a frictionless airport experience. Deadlines are stricter for baggage, 45 minutes for domestic, up to 120 minutes for international, and kiosk or counter check-in caters to specific needs. Arriving early, 2 hours for domestic, 3 hours for international, ensures compliance with deadlines and a stress-free start. The Fly Delta app is highly recommended for its convenience and real-time updates. For assistance, contact Delta at +1 800 212 1212 or visit delta.com. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.